Ashutosh, the bail plea for Riya Chakravarti has been rejected by court. This is the big news coming in right this minute, that the court has rejected the bail plea by Riya Chakravarti. The all-important piece of information that Riya Chakravarti has been waiting for. It's a long haul now for Riya until September 22nd. Riya Chakravarti will not be given bail. Her bail plea has been rejected. She will now stay in prison until the 22nd of September. Let's quickly cut across to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, take us through. Riya Chakravarti's bail plea has been rejected here. On what grounds? Take us through the arguments. What really went by in court? Riya's bail plea has been rejected.
Well, Nabila, it's a big setback for Riya Chakravarti and Souvik Chakravarti in the drug cartel case which was being probed by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And what I believe during the hearing, the 27, the Narcotics Control, the NDPS Act of 27A, that was the biggest hurdle as far as the seeking bail and relief is concerned, because that was the contention which NCB public prosecutor made before the trial, before the Sessions Court, saying that we may require further probe with Souvik Chakravarti, Riya Chakravarti and 6 others, and they should not be granted bail. The second contention was that because there is not only a drug consumption, there is not only drug procurement, but it is also about facilitation of the drug, which is a commercial purpose. So in that case, the quantity and the amount of drug is not really relevant. Also, the money that has been spent on this is not relevant. But the commercial use of drug, that is from procuring one place to providing to another, is part of a syndicate. And also what we believe that the agency since has, the statement of Riya Chakravarti, where she has allegedly admitted that she did consume. Also Souvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda, where they are saying that it was on the direction of Chakravarti. Oh, okay, we have some lawyer here. Let's cut to the lawyers that are coming from inside the court. What exactly happened? किसके भी आप
अभी ऑर्डर अवेलेबल है।
दीपेश सावंत, क्या एग्जैक्टली हुआ सर कोर्ट में?
अभी कुछ पता नहीं है, ऑर्डर आया नहीं है, कंप्लीट रीजनिंग ऑर्डर आया नहीं है अभी तक। सिर्फ इतना ही पता है कि ऑल बेल एप्लीकेशन
हाई कोर्ट में जाएंगे। क्या हाई कोर्ट?
यस, विल डेफिनेटली अप्रोच द हाई कोर्ट।
ओके, Dipesh Sawant's lawyer. So there you heard on India Today, Dipesh Sawant's lawyer confirming that